The only thing spreading faster than the coronavirus is misinformation and racism.
Gee, there's a bug, there's a flu, there's a virus. I didn't know what it was in China. And I said, uh-oh, that doesn't sound good.
The coronavirus, officially known as COVID-19, was first observed in China in November of 2019. It has since infected more than 100,000 people, caused thousands of deaths, and been labeled as a global pandemic by the World Health Organization. Yet not much is still known about the spread of the virus or how to fight it. As the panic has spread, warnings to avoid Asians in Asian-populated areas have gone viral. Social media has been filled with racist posts against Asians. Some even blame the outbreak on claims like, Chinese people eat bats. The fact is, some people in China do eat bats. However, bats are also consumed by people all over the world. Notably, more commonly consumed meats like beef, pork, and chicken can also transmit potential disease, most famously mad cow disease, swine flu, and salmonella. Yet nobody was vilified for still eating pork during the 2009 swine flu pandemic. Just because food practices may differ from one culture to the next, it does not inherently mean they are wrong. In reality, scientists don't yet know exactly where this coronavirus originated and how it was transmitted to humans. There is good evidence that bats could have been the original source of this outbreak, but even if that is ultimately found to be the case, it does not warrant the ill-informed and often racist memes making their rounds online. Asian, and particularly Chinese communities around the world are facing ostracization, hostility, and racial abuse. Others in the community have also been explicitly turned down from or asked to not make appearances at events. In February, a Vietnamese artist was requested to not attend London's affordable art fair due to coronavirus anxiety. They were told Asians are being seen as carriers of the virus. Violence has also taken a serious toll on members of the Asian community. A 23-year-old Singapore student of Chinese ethnicity was brutally attacked in a racially aggravated assault in London. The student's face was fractured, and his attackers shouted, "I don't want your coronavirus in my country." It's important to be cautious in the face of this global health emergency, and to take reasonable precautions to prevent infection. But it's just as important not to give in to racism and hatred, piling more harm onto an already painful situation.